Welcome to my craft table. Hi, this is Jamie Magridge. Welcome to my craft table. Today I'd like to show you how to do a scrapbook page. It's actually a 2-page layout. It's all using Stampin'Up products. Most of it is rooted in nature stamp set, and then there's some papers that are just cardstock and some paper. So let me scroll you down and we'll get started. Okay, again, this is Jamie Magridge. Welcome to my craft table. Today we're going to be doing a scrapbook layout. I've kind of roughed it in. I haven't done anything yet. I'm going to be using this paper, which is from Floral Romance. This is specialty designer series paper. Rooted in nature stamp set. Where did I do that? The Rooted in Nature. It's a 2-box set. I'm using a couple of these leaves in this image here from that set. From this one I'm using this leaf here and this, and then of course the dies to cut it out. The wood chip I had to fussy cut out. So I've got one sheet of the designer series paper cut in half. I'm going to put half on this page, half on this page. I've got 3 of the wood chips that I fussy cut out. This one I cut in half because it's going to be on both pages. These are on vellum, and I used Mossy Meadow and Pacific Point to stamp them, and then I clear heat embossed them so that the ink would dry. And these are on just blanked on the color. Let me look. Pear Pizzazz. This is Pear Pizzazz paper, and this is Pacific Point, and I stamped these in Mossy Meadow and used the coordinating dies to cut them out. Okay, so let's get started and put this together. First thing I'm going to do is adhere these large pieces of designer series paper. It's really pretty on the back too. There's a lot of really nice designs. I had a hard time choosing. Oh, lovely. Dog hair stuck to this. But in the end I just went with this one because it has a smaller design so it doesn't compete with my pictures. These pieces are just scrap pieces that I had in my with my paper, and I'm just gonna use them behind the mats for a little bit of an accented additional color. So there's that one. I think I had one here. Over here, I don't remember. I did take a picture of my layout on my phone so I could kind of remember how they were. Tried to. This one's going to go over here. This piece will go up here. And I'm going to have one of these leaves over here. A couple of these leaves will go down here. Alright, that's that side. Let's adhere this one together. And I'm just going to have it shadow on 2 sides of it, just for a little bit of added color, and this is going to be where I write on. Okay, for the pictures themselves, I have 4 Pear Pizzazz pieces. I believe they are 4 1/4. Let's move this over so I can measure. Okay, 6 1/4 by 4 1/8, and then this white piece behind it is 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. They're gonna mat together. This can't be 6 1/4. It's got, yeah, 6 1/8 by 4 1/8, and then 6 1/4 by 4 1/8. Okay, so they'll mat together, and there's 4 of those because there's going to be 2 pictures on each page. So let's go ahead and adhere those together. All these other pieces were just scraps. I didn't cut any of them. I just used what I had in my scrap bin. For the Stampin' Up! Colors, I usually keep the scraps right in the front of my paper. See, I keep it in these job ticket holders, and I just cut the top off so it fits in my box, and I keep all the scrap pieces in the front. That way I'm more prone to use them. Okay, so let's get this centered up on here and adhered down. There's going to be just that little bit of a border around. There's one of them. That one will go up here, I think. I'm scrapbooking some pictures from, most of them are me and my dogs when we're at camp. I'm doing a scrapbook of a piece of a camp property and the tiny house we're building on it. And so this is a page to go into that scrapbook, and that didn't go down very straight. Let me see if I can fix it. That didn't here yet. Come on. Awesome. Alright, let's try that again. Let's not hurry. Let's take our time. I'm having a hard time with this today. I don't know why. That's better. Okay, and then I've got 2 for the other side. I might as well go ahead and do those now too. Alright, so we'll put 2 aside. Let's glue down this piece of Designer Series paper. Hard to see the edge of this white on white. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let's glue this piece together. This is the back side of this paper. It's a scrap I had in my front of my envelope, and the 12 by 12 papers. This one is in the sleeve that it came in, and I just folded over the sticky side and glued it on the inside. And then I keep the scraps in the front of it as well. And I'm going to just put a little bit of glue on this one corner. Because this is going to glue just to accent, just a little bit of added color to this corner here. Alright, so that's that. This is going to go onto there like that. I don't remember where I had it, but alright. Now let's glue the pictures onto the photo mats. Am I in frame? I hope I am. This one's going to go on this side. These are just the standard size pictures. We had them developed at Walmart. Alright. 2 more here. Oops. Okay, that little piece doesn't want to stay stuck. Let's there we go. Alright, now let's see, let's get a glance at this photo. Okay, so this one is going to go like this, glued on there. These two here, this one's going to get glued on like that. This one will go here, and this one will overlap this corner and have a leaf there. Like that it goes. Okay, so let me go ahead and glue this blue piece onto the back of the picture. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this picture down. This to kind of be over here. Don't want to glue it hard yet because I think I want this one to go down a little bit farther. Because I'm not sure what this thing is in this picture. I can't figure it out. And something with my husband working, but I'm not sure what that is. So we're actually going to hide a little bit of that under there, like like that. So let's glue this one down. Corner. So it's going to go in there under that, just a little bit like that. Awesome. Alright, now I know that this is going to go up here in this corner. So let's go ahead and glue it down. Alright. I'm going to have one of these leaves over here on it like that, so let's go ahead and glue it down. This one would probably be easier to use the wet glue or the snail. Okay. I've got two of these that are going to go down here. And these I'm going to use the wet glue for because they're little. It'll just be easier. These blend in a lot with the background, but in real life they give a lot of texture. Okay, this one here. I'm going to spread this glue out all over the back of this so that you can't see the glue. Now that I got the glue out, I might as well just use it. This is going to go here. Like that. Now this chip I want to show on both pages, so let's go ahead and get this side down. Alright, awesome. So there's one page. Now let's do this page. And actually have one of these leaves up in here too somewhere. Up here. Soften this harsh corner there. Alright, so let's put the pictures down for this one. I think I need to put this piece down first. So let's do that. It's going to go up in here. And this wood chip is going to go right on top of it, like right about here. Okay, then I take a couple of these leaves, at least one of them, put it right there. One of those little other ones too. Okay, now this picture is going to go over here. I do have to add this to this top corner, so let's do that first. Okay, glue this one down. Oh, fiddle. I hate when it does that. Okay, this one will go down here. This piece will go in this bottom corner. Oops, didn't stick. A lot of dead time in this, I'm sorry about that. Alright, so let's put this one up here, like that. And just a little bit more. Yeah, like there. Alright, now, one of these is going to go on here. I think these will go on there. Alright. Let's go ahead and glue this other wood chip on. Or the other half of this wood chip on. Lining up these papers so that okay. I think I'm done with that tape runner. Let's bring in the glue. Got a couple extra pieces here. Why is that? What I'm going to do is take off the back of this. It has this wider tip on the back. I'm going to use that to smear my glue around. Ooh, where'd it go? It's my picture on how I wanted these leaves, because they came out really neat, and I kind of wanted to keep them that way. Okay, come on, glue. All right. Do that. This one goes like that. Okay, then I had 3 just kind of scattered here. There. Oh, I was like, what was that? Is this spring in my ATG? Okay, then the blue one. And this one over here by itself. This one's not glued down yet. I think I want it on this corner. Alright, well there's my layout for my scrapbook page. I didn't put these down, did I? Okay, let's glue them down real fast. I just wanted to show you that you could use stamps to decorate a scrapbook page as well as just make cards. Well, thank you for joining me at my craft table today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.